Hey, welcome back everybody. Sign here again with another episode of Harmonious Engineering and whoop, 3, not 4. I'm just getting some crushers down here. And it's 1, 2, 3, 1, right? I have 2 extra. I think it's right there on each of these. And then we have our redstone. Have our fencing. Got a bunch of hoppers that go down. And almost there. Okay. Just thinking about advanced rocketry. They had a really good way of doing the multi-blocks. Well, we have 2 crushers, but basically it would be the like ghost blocks that you could actually place blocks into. It's kind of nice because you can just right-click in midair and place it in the ghost block. So I don't know, Flaxbeard's Mercy Patrolling, that projector, that was awesome. And so how do I want to do this from here? So I got 2 crushers here. I think that's the only thing going over here because I have enough room to add in 2 more if need be in the future. I think I'm going to leave it like that. Let's see. Do I have dirt on me? I do. Okay. Just that one lone piece of gravel there was just not quite right. All right, so I wanted to try something here. What happens if you bone meal these things? Nothing. Okay. I was wondering. Kind of cool if you could actually just easily spread them across grass, but unfortunately that's not really a thing we can do. So you're 1 block from the edge, so we go 1, 2, 3. Okay, cool. So we're gonna have you here. And I went ahead and brought a dimensional chest because I'm just going to be lazy with this one for now. And we'll just go ahead and drop you in here. See that, or try to get it into this train somehow as we go by. And I just don't know. Not in the mood for that one right now. Okay. Conveyor belt. And we do this, and then I'll just go ahead and line up these like so. There we go. And now these just need power, which we shouldn't have a problem with. Let's see, let's go ahead and get ourselves a wooden post. Yeah, the thing is, okay. Let's go ahead and get you here, right? If I could hook them both up to that post right there, but if I go to add more in the future, I'm going to have a way of getting it across. And let's see, you know, it helps to get some wiring too here. So you can do that. We'll do this. And whoop. Yeah, I was afraid of that. Okay, well, you can connect to here anyway. I'll just go ahead and slip you in here. Up we go. You go there, and I am going to need yet another HV coil. We can go like So with. And I am going to have to get items into these guys now, but they should be fully powered, ready to go. Anything they crush will go into there. So one thing I wanted to try, let's see, probably, nope, about right here. There we go. Jump over the live wire, you know. Most dangerous game of jump rope out there. And I wanted to try out the redstone connector, or the redstone probe connector, I guess is what it's called, right? Functionality with the crusher, right? Because you're still pulling up ore. Okay. So let's get you here, right? And I think let's just do a block here for now. I brought an analog voltmeter redstone gauge. It actually shows you the redstone strength 0 to 15. And I need my screwdriver. There we go. Output. Signal threshold. This is like a comparator, isn't it? So I give you 15. You do nothing. How about like a signal of 1, maybe? There we go. And yeah, I was kind of worried about that. I don't think I can shove this, though, onto that. Oh, I'm going to have to run back to base, aren't I? Alright, so apparently it is the redstone surface here that we can hook to. Can I hook to... There it is. This side of it, though, and get a signal out of it? Or do I have to hook to where I have my switch in there? Nope, I can hook to the side. Cool. We have a signal of 5 coming out of here, so it's 2/3 of the way done already. Alright, awesome. And I mean, I do love this here. So I can actually use these to send a signal back to base when an excavator is done. I can use a comparator too, but these look better. So, okay, you don't have any other functionality? Okay, cool. So, I'll worry about that for my next excavator, but I wanted to check to see how close this thing was. And it's, well, kind of getting there. Alright, and everything's working fine over here. Everything's going there for now. We are just getting so much sulfur out of this vein. Alright, so I need to get items over to my crushers now. And the ideal way would be to have the train drop them off on the way by. But I didn't have a whole lot of luck actually like filtering those carts last time I tried. So what I have to do is pull all the items out of the train, filter out what I want, and then throw all those items back into the train. I don't really like that idea, unfortunately. So I'm going to have to rely on my refined storage system to do the filtering for me, I think. And... which, I mean, makes sense. I mean, well, kind of. I'm just thinking like real-world logistics where, you know, it just goes point to point, and then from there splits off into smaller vehicles, whatnot, like shipping companies and whatnot, right? Go from hub to hub, and then they load them onto the smaller trucks and whatnot. But I'm just thinking of a decent way to do this, and unfortunately, I'm not really coming up with anything. Did you get off my trapdoor? Thank you. And now you're confused why you couldn't go upstairs because you walked off the stairs sideways. Alright, so how am I going to get items from here to, up there? I mean, it is close enough I could conceivably run cables. I don't think, yeah, no. That is going to be a lot of cables, and they wouldn't look all that great. I'd have to run them underground. Let's see. Oh yeah, I was trying comparator and redstone repeater, and that didn't quite work the way I wanted it to either. Let's see. Let's go ahead and teach this thing how to make factory droppers, though. And then, oh yeah, because that recipe. Okay. I do have a good amount of old industrial, but I do need to set this up as well still. There's just so many little things to set up, but just need 2 of you for now. Thank you. What happened to my other factory dropper? So it wasn't in the system. I didn't leave it over there. Alright, so got that. Pretty pipes, I guess, for now. I think, yeah, I've got a bunch on me still. Let's see, pretty, let's go over here. Okay, I have it. Extract blank module pipe. Yeah, I haven't really done a whole lot of recipe teaching yet. So that, let's go ahead and I guess get ourselves a speed module. I need to get sugar done still. There's, yeah. Let's go ahead and get ourselves a low priority. Let's get ourselves a high priority. Paper. That's tree bark from farmers. There's really not an easy way to get that, though. Sugar cane, right? Let's see. Filter module, flow filter. Yep. Stuff I'm not really going to need right now, but, good to have. Alright, so I've got 4 crushers, because I decided, I've got the materials. Let's just go ahead and do this, and now I'm trying to decide on exactly how I want to get all this taken care of. I'm thinking, for now, item router, right? So I need to have you, and not you for now. I did forget a couple of things, though. I can break you, right? Yeah. So I need to be able to get back up here easily. And let's go ahead and do that. And there and there, right? I can break that. And there's some dirt to break, but it's not a problem. I can get rid of that eventually. And I'm going to need to at least dummy up some support structure for that. It shouldn't be too terrible to make it look good afterwards. But I forgot splitting conveyors as well. And which actually I could make do. I think I'll do that actually. I get 3 splitting conveyors and get rid of the item router. Because I don't really need to determine what goes where. I don't know why I keep wanting to go back to that corner. My storage system was over there for such a long time. All right, so here we go. Probably not going to need that drop-in conveyor then either. Okay, what uses... It says new recipes unlocked, right? Yeah, nothing. I wonder if Heck and Chloe's I Know What I'm Doing mod is still around. Was it IKWID? Yeah, I know what I'm doing. It gets rid of a bunch of the toasts, but it leaves the important ones like advancements and questing and all that alone. Alright, so let's get back over to here. Now this is all electrified right now, so I do kind of have to be somewhat careful with all this. And that's what I need to have here. Alright, so I'm going to put you here. Get rid of you. Really? You're an axe? Wrong button. Wrong button. Good God. Alright. The hell was that? Can I do that again, maybe? No, it was the ring from that, but it just like, yeah, that really borked out. That was weird looking. So we're going to put you here. So items are going to come in from this side and they're going to split 50-50. And then I need to have another one here. And you can go away now. Another one right here. So then all I have to do is grab that piece of dirt. There we go. Just get items there. And not exactly sure how I want to do that yet. But same note, I am actually going to have to call this an episode here. I've got company from out of town coming in, and they're going to be here for about a week or so. And that, man, that lightning bug just got destroyed. So videos might be a bit shorter. I've been trying to kind of build up a backlog before they show up. So hopefully there shouldn't be any interruption, but there may be some shorter videos. This is the only series I actually record on a daily basis. Everything else I have a backlog on. So we should be good, hopefully. But I did go ahead and get the processing set up. I just need a way to get ore into there. And I'm almost thinking about the barges. Like, so I haven't used these at all yet. We've got the chest barge, chunk loader, auto fishing. I kind of want to send that out. I don't really need fish for anything, though, is the thing. Cedar, fluid tank, and there's the barge dock, which works just like my trains will. So I don't think I'm going to have to worry about much, though, besides... Yeah, I need to have a tug and then a barge. But I only have maybe one chest barge. Hey. Hey. Thank you for the goo. Because we're just running from basically somewhere around here to there. And this is all chunk loaded already around here, so. But chunk loader barges, I mean, it's free chunk loading, so. But I'm thinking maybe have somewhere around here just like a little cargo terminal of some sorts. Probably not over here. I mean, I've been dressing this side up to make it look a little prettier. So, not so much, but maybe... Oh yeah, and I extended this out this way because I'm not sure. I might send a pathway up there so we can get to the tower. And... Actually... Let's just make this too wide. Yeah, that looks better. Really should do something about this. So Yeah, probably it'll be something over here. Actually, I've got this area here. I'll have to take out my sandcastles, but we've already got a bit of a natural dock here, and I've already got like a machine room over here anyway. So this would probably be the spot that makes the most sense. But thank you for coming out. I hope you enjoyed this episode, and until the next one, Sign signing out. Have fun.